Oh, you got the hiccups. Yeah, he's such a baby. Yeah, he is. He's my little man. Yeah. Scheming. So we're going plotting something. Anyway. Yeah. So I lay with my daddy. Yeah. It's you. Yeah, let's lay with his daddy.